In this video, I'll show you how to take a screenshot on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Let's begin. First, scroll down to open the control panel. Then tap on the pencil icon. Then tap on Edit. Drag the screenshot shortcut and press Done. Now tap on the screenshot shortcut. And as you can see, the screenshot has been captured. The second method is to press the power button and the volume down button simultaneously, and it will capture the screenshot. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.